A Yug Group Faggot ATGM team locked onto a Ukrainian dugout in the Konstantinovka sector and sent a direct hit straight through it. The position was wiped out, leaving nothing usable behind. Gulyaypole, Zaporozhye. The Vostok Group reports a vital success. The crew of their T-80 tank successfully eliminated an enemy drone command post near Gulyaypole, destroying the opponent's UAV control center. The tank battalion commander with the call sign Altay confirmed the operation. They detailed that their tasks include moving towards Gulyaypole, conducting indirect fire, transporting troops, and escorting personnel. Air defense on the front line. The Torum-2 surface-to-air missile system belonging to the Sever group of forces is demonstrating its effectiveness. While carrying out its combat alert duty, the Torum-2 system successfully launched an interception. A cruise missile fired by the Ukrainian Armed Forces militants was successfully hit and destroyed in the air. This success ensures the combat mission continues safely. ODAB 1500 attack. Kyiv regime positions destroyed in a spectacular video. Next, in the Krasnoarmysk direction, a 203mm Malka from the center group struck a Ukrainian strongpoint and blew the entire fortification apart in a single, clean hit. Strike lands. Command falls. On the right bank of the Dnieper in the Kherson region, a Giatsint B 152mm gun from the 18th Combined Arms Army fired a precise round that wiped out a Ukrainian UAV control node and the position around it. The shot hit clean, collapsing the site and shutting down the enemy's drone coordination in that sector. Let's look at the intelligence and artillery action at Krasny Liman. The Skat 350M UAV reconnaissance team from the Zapad group demonstrated high precision. They successfully detected a group of enemy personnel hiding in a fortified position. The target coordinates were immediately transmitted to the artillery command post. Without wasting time, artillery fire was launched, and the target was completely neutralized in the Krasny Liman direction. This action highlights the effective synergy between reconnaissance drones and artillery units. In the Krasnoarmysk area, artillery units of the 27th Motorized Rifle Division provided fire support to assault groups targeting a temporary deployment site of opposing forces. During the operation, unmanned system operators played a crucial role, delivering real-time monitoring and artillery spotting, allowing each action to be carried out with high precision. Still on the Kupyansk line, Russian FPV operators sent in a thermite-loaded drone, dropping it straight onto the Ukrainian road nets and burning the obstacle out of existence. The path is now open, the barrier nothing but smoke and molten scraps. Russian mobile fire teams scored another clean intercept, spotting and taking down an incoming Ukrainian drone before it could reach its target. The engagement was fast, controlled, and over in seconds, one more enemy UAV was erased from the sky. More breaking news from the Russian Ministry of Defense. In the Krasnoarmysk direction, the Center Battle Group has recorded a significant success. Their Strela 10 anti-aircraft missile system reportedly shot down one reconnaissance drone belonging to the armed forces of Ukraine. The drone, which was destroyed in the air, was identified as the Leleka 100 model. Russian reconnaissance teams in the Kharkiv sector are actively tracking and smashing Ukrainian tanks and APCs as they attempt to push toward the city. Every movement is picked up, every vehicle that tries to break through is hit hard, and the advance toward Kupyansk remains firmly under Russian control. Again in Kupyansk, another Ukrainian transport never made it through. Russian forces caught the vehicle on the move and destroyed it near the city, adding yet another wreck to the growing line of failed attempts to break the front. Russian drone operators keep wiping out Ukrainian military vehicles across multiple stretches of the front, picking off targets wherever they surface and leaving a trail of ruined hardware behind. Two targets, one outcome. Rosgvardia's Kamikaze drone teams took out a pair of Ukrainian Bogdana self-propelled guns with back-to-back FPV strikes. The initial hits forced the crews to abandon their vehicles, and the drones circled back to finish the job, leaving both artillery units burning on the field. Robots join the fight. The Russian Courier ground robotic complex rolled up to Ukrainian positions in the Konstantinovka sector and opened fire with its 12.7mm NSVT machine gun, laying down steady burst as it pounded enemy firing points. Rapid action on the battlefield recorded a vital success on the Liman front line. Russian forces reported the complete destruction of a key enemy tank unit, a T-72 tank belonging to the Ukrainian armed forces. The neutralized target inflicted significant losses on the opponent's armored strength. Massive energy attack. In the Odesa region, a crucial moment was captured. A Geron-2 Kamikaze drone struck a power substation in Starokazachi, causing major damage. Meanwhile, explosions were also reported in Kyiv, after energy facilities were attacked by Iskander and Kalibr missiles, as well as Geron drones. The use of unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAV, is now key on the battlefield, and Russian UAV operators are demonstrating a professional and lethal approach. Under the command of the Yug group of forces, drone operators from the 6th Motorized Rifle Division recorded several significant achievements. They successfully destroyed an enemy temporary deployment area. They eliminated a camouflaged Ukrainian Armed Forces T-72 tank unit. Furthermore, in the Kramatorsk-Druzhkovka direction, UAV from the 72nd Separate Motorized Rifle Brigade acted quickly. They successfully disabled 2 enemy ground robotic systems, neutralizing autonomous threats on the front line. Meanwhile, in the southern sector, the Vostok group focused on enemy logistics and mobility. Their attack UAV operators carried out a precise strike on an enemy motor vehicle near Gulyaypole in the Zaporozhye region, inflicting serious losses on the opponent's movement capability. The efficiency and precision of these drone attacks demonstrate how UAV operators are now a determining factor in the outcome of battles. That's all for today's update. Thanks for watching, and don't miss our upcoming videos.